Hey guys, so when I installed my AC unit, I have, the ducts, the hot air and the cold air ducts, and those blow outside. And I made this custom mount for it. We could call it mount loosely, but today we're going to try a solution that's much easier than this custom foam that I made. So let's give it a shot. So let's just take a look at the two ducts. One will be a hot air duct and one will be a cooler air duct, and one big one, one smaller. And what I have is this foam. It's a soft, not one of those brittle foams. It's a soft, high density foam. It's a little hard to source sometimes, but it works great for things like this. You can see it's really thick, and I cut two pieces because I couldn't get one big piece to fit, but basically you just roll up the window on it and that's it, and then you could store it somewhere. But today we're going to try this Cybertake easy air conditioning vent, and yes, I do have a Cybertake um, air conditioner, and it does fit the Cybertake tubing, so that'll be perfect. But this is going to be really easy. Let me show you. All right, so basically this will just wrap over your door, and this Velcro will cover up your two vents. All right, so that's the idea. We're going to wrap it over and give it a shot. So on the back side, you just have this Velcro. Put the Velcro there, and let's see. Over here, we're going to strap this Velcro to this guy here. And that should keep that nice and firm. And this is not made for the Honda Element. It's just a generic covering. On the bottom side, there's this pull string. And you could use that to keep it nice and taut. Adjust it to whatever car shape you have. I don't think it works well where the glass goes up to the top. I think it works better if you have a frame. But that's it. So that's the way it'll look on the inside. Let's take a look at the outside. And that's the way the cover is going to look on the outside. You can see there are two vent holes right here, and here. There's one smaller and one bigger. And you just roll down the window a little bit to accommodate these holes, and that's it. You can see my window's actually much lower than it needs to be. I can lower it, raise it up to here, and then we'll slide that out a little bit so we could expose that. All right, so let's hook up the vents and give it a shot. All right, so these vent holes, they're just elastic, so you push it through and then wedge it in. And on this side, if you want to close it, there's Velcro on this side if you want to have it closed. But right now, we'll have it open, and then we'll install the vents. All right, we'll take the bigger vent and just stick it through the elastic. Oops. Smaller vent. All right, that's it. You can see it vents like that. Of course, my vent's not going to be this far out when the doors are closed. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I think it's pretty good. Here are the vents shooting out. That's the way it looks. So that's super easy. There's no custom vent holes you need to make, like I did with the foam. Let's close the door and set it up and see what it looks like from the inside. All right, that's what it looks like from the outside. I think it's pretty good. Of course, this door would be closed. I just left it open so I could climb in a second to show you what it looks like from the inside. There's the vents. Gonna flow nice and free. Easy hookup to the vents. And here I have my AC right there, angled to blow at me, but of course, depending on how you want to angle your AC vents. But yeah, this vent, do-it-yourself vent hole is going to be a lot easier than making a foam cutout or anything like that. It's just a piece of nylon that you put over, and you could have vent holes for your car AC. I think it's pretty good. Let me stand back a little bit. There you go. That's the way it looks. And this is the way it looks from the outside with the door closed. All right, not too bad. Real easy. Best part, instead of storing this big old piece of foam, which isn't that big, but it's not this small, I could just put it right there, or I could shove it anywhere. Side here, but it doesn't take up a lot of space, and I could have ventilation for my AC. Perfect.